What's up guys, welcome to the video, let's go. Alright guys, we got the bike back out after it's been repaired. After my crash. Broke the brakes, but we fixed it, so fine now. But yeah, let's go. So obviously guys, I just took some videos and photos, so they're right there. But now we are going onto this dirt jump. We are going to get some more logs to build it up a bit more. It's really soft sand. My brother started doing this yesterday and he said the sand is really soft and you have to get this right. So we're gonna go find some more sticks and we're gonna build a step down. Let's go. So guys, this is what we have to choose from. I'm gonna grab some sticks and bring them back over there and show you what I got after. So guys, I got heaps of sticks. I was thinking of using these as supports, maybe hold the jump, because it's, my brother said it was very easy to move. I got all the logs out of here. I'm pretty sure there's none left. I don't think there is here. And we're gonna start building. We've got the shovel, we've got our logs, so let's go time that. So guys, I just finished building the jump. I have not built a landing for it. I'm gonna send it and try it. But I feel like, so regardless of the dirt was so loose, I feel like this log here will come out. There's only one way to find out. Also, when I was digging, I found some pretty good dirt, so I put some extra dirt on top. There's shit dirt along here. If I don't send it very well, it's gonna fucking hurt. Hey, if this works, I'll build a landing and get the GoPro out. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm pretty happy with that. I didn't get enough speed to actually try it. So now we're going to do a proper speed run. If that works, we're building a berm here because I don't want to run into that bush. So we put like a berm there so we can keep going. So tricky, but yeah. Like, it's alright. I was landing like here, I think. I'm not really sure. But I want to do a faster run first. Try it. It's cracking a bit there. Or I might go get some gravel and put some gravel on it to help it. But first we're gonna try a faster run. But it's alright. I want to be landing for it, but like last time, like this bush here is very thick. I want to cut this down. It's really important. So now we got a new series to build. We're going to build extra tracks and stuff, by the way. Might put a second jump on the side. But first we're going to fix this jump and then see how it goes. Okay guys, we just did some upgrades to the jump. My brother came out. So we put this here and hopefully stop this moving. And for some reason he put like a little stick in there. Like, I don't know why. But I think it might be because it's cracking there and he's trying to stop it from cracking so much. But we're going to send it. see how it goes, and if it goes pretty well, we'll build a landing afterwards. But they even said we can make this the landing, but we don't want to do that. We want to do full send, so let's go. Guys, I just built the landing. Ran away where it looked like my tires were. I did the time lapse, but I didn't realize it failed. But that's right, because now we're gonna try this jump. It's got a little stick in there like this one. Yeah, support it. But there's only one way to find out if it's good or not. And then we'll do one test and then we'll get the GoPro.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto.
So guys, the landing is in completely wrong spot. I full on cleared that landing. So guys, before I move this landing back, I think I might get the whipper snipper and just clear this up a bit. Because I'm riding through this bush every time I land off there. And we want to try to put a bit on there anyway, so let's go.
It's a little bit hard at the moment because I think I need to probably restring it.
Okay, I just need to cut a little bit, it's not much.
You can do more than a little bit, there's heaps.
Yeah, okay, but where is it?
Wherever I only put it last. Whenever I got you to put it in.
It's near the big lawnmower.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Alright guys, sorry I could not record that bit. But you heard the conversation. So now we're gonna go find the whipper snipper. So I don't want... Okay, found the whipper snipper guys. Okay, look at that motorbike. Yeah, this one's my one. It needs a ride. Here's the whipper snipper guys. Check the battery. It should be enough. We'll take it. Let's go. Alright guys, we got the whipper snipper and now we're gonna clear this grass up because we really need to get rid of it. So guys, I just finished whipper snipping. So I managed to get that. I'm gonna get a rake just to clear it up. I can't really get that because if you heard earlier, Mum said the wires weren't very good, and she's right. But we'll get a rake and rake out all the grass I cut, and then we'll go work on the jump. But let's go return this and get the rake first. Guys, after half an hour of searching, we've finally found the rake. For some reason, it is out here. I have no idea. I've been searching for a long time. And now we can go finish our jump. So if you guys can't tell anything in the before after photo, well, this is the pile I pulled up. And the final thing we've got to do is finish this landing and send it. I just checked my GoPro percentage. It's on charge. It's on 8% still somehow, and I don't know why. But we are going to add some extra dirt on there. So I add some extra dirt on there. I still have some sticks here, so I might add these into it, which is fun. Alright, let's go. Guys, we're just gonna make this quick. Bam guys, the landing is done. We're ready to send this thing with the landing, and we will build the berm maybe today or the next video. Guys, it looks like the landing's in a good spot. So let's go to a couple seconds. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe, we're so close to 1k. Sorry I can't get any GoPro footage, but I'll post some shorts on GoPro footage. So see you in